The All Corners Center for Learning is officially open, located next to the engineering building and the upper lake. UCD's newest building is made for your lectures, studying, and group work. Let's take a look inside. The Center for Learning is over 11,000 square meters large across 4 levels. That's 579,000 central rows. The atrium has plenty of seating for comfort and informal study. There are 30 active learning environments and 5 creative learning environments. These creative learning environments have flexible layouts and are designed to support creative modules and more interactive forms of teaching. Active learning environments feature a lectern in the middle to support collaborative learning. On the lower ground floor, you can find showers, a larger accessible toilet, and a family room if you need baby changing facilities. The coolest part of this building is the lecture hall. There are groups of tables to promote discussion and accessible spaces in the front row. The All Corners Center for Learning is designed to a nearly zero energy building standard. This means the building is operated on renewable sources like solar panels and lots of natural light. Thanks for watching. See you inside.